Hello students, I am your maths teacher Lakhan sir from Science Academy Daud. Student, in previous video we see what is set and how to write a set by using a listing method. Before going to start a new point, some students are not getting what is actually a set. Okay, basically there are two types of set, that is perfect set and non-perfect sets. So first, let's see one example of perfect set and non-perfect set. So in perfect set, the example is number of hours in a day. And let's say one example for non-perfect set, that is pile of notebook, piles of notebook or bunch of keys are the example of non-perfect sets. So what is the actual difference between the perfect set and the non-perfect set? In perfect set, set means what? Set is nothing but a collection. So perfect set in non-perfect set, we have to make a collection. Okay, but collection collection of well-defined objects means what? In number of hours in a day. So how many hours in a day? There are 24 hours in a day every day. Okay, that means these things are already defined, that number of hours in a day are 24. But let's say example, pile of notebooks. Here we are adding number of notebooks or removing number of notebooks. That means this is a type of non-perfect set. Either define केलेले का how many notebooks are there? No. Or bunch of keys. In bunch of keys, we are adding number of keys as well as we are removing the number of keys. That means इथे bunch of keys or pile of notebooks are not a perfect example of set, but number of hours in a day is a perfect example of set, because it is already defined that in a day there are only 24 hours. Okay, that is the difference between the perfect set and the non-perfect set. So we are always considering the perfect set. Now the examples of a set or of perfect sets are number of hours in a day, number of days in a week, number of months in a year, planets in our solar system. Let's take another example, that number of fingers in our hand. Another example, set of even numbers. So there are infinite examples of a perfect set. So here set of even number, set of natural number, they are already defined. That is, natural numbers are starts from 1 and goes up to infinite. Set of positive integers. So we know that positive integers are starts from 1 and goes up to infinite. That is set of natural number. Set of negative integers. Set of negative integers. Set of rational numbers. So all they are defined already. ते सगळं already defined केलेलं आहे. Set of natural number. Natural number म्हणले की they are starts from 1. Set of whole numbers म्हणले की they are starts from 0, because they are already defined. This is what we are going to see, a set or a perfect set. So that's why pile of notebook, bunch of keys, flock of birds are an example of non-perfect set. They are a collection but not a perfect set. So we are not considering the examples of non-perfect set, we are considering only the example of a perfect set. That means what is set? Now set is a collection of well-defined objects, or it can be defined as, if we can definitely and clearly decide the object which is a part of a set, then it is called as a set. Okay, now how to write a set? So there are two methods of writing a set. To write a set लिहायचं आहे, तर सेट लिहिण्यासाठी आपल्याला दोन मेथडचा यूज करायचा आहे. So there are two methods of writing a set. First one is listing method. It is also called as roster method. And second one is rule method. It is also called as set builder form. So let's see listing method. To write a set by using any one method, there are some rules. So first rule is write the name of a set by using capital letter. Okay. Second rule is write all the elements in a curly bracket. Write all the elements by using comma separated, and write every element only once. If any element is repeated more than twice, then write it only once. These are the some rules regarding how to write a set. Okay. So our first method. So there are two methods of writing set. Methods of writing a set. So there are two methods. First one is listing method. It is also called as roster method. And second one is rule method. It is also called as set builder form. So let's see what is listing method, or how to write a set by using a listing method or roster method. So let's consider one example. Set of odd number. This is an example of a perfect set because they are already defined. Odd numbers means what? The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called as an odd number. So set of odd numbers are starts from 1. So how to write this example by using a listing method? Okay. First rule, write the name of a set by using a capital letter. Okay. So we write from A to Z. Suppose consider A. Okay. Then write all the elements within a curly bracket. So we know that odd numbers starts from 1, 3, then 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers are also uncountable. That means they are unlimited. That is infinite. So after last element make comma and then dot dot dot. ह्याचा meaning काय असतो? Up to infinite. So we can write a given set by using a listing method. So what is listing method? In listing method we have to write only the elements, or we have to write the list of elements. आपल्याला त्या elementची list तयार करायची असते. That's why it is called as a listing method. Okay, let's take another example. Set of even numbers between 5 to 15. Okay, we have to write even numbers between 5 to 15. So what is the meaning of between and from? There are two different meaning. It is between and from. जर between दिला असेल, that means we are not considering first and the last element. And जर from असेल, then we are considering 5 and the 15. That is the first and last elements. Okay. So we have to write even numbers between 5 to 15. Okay. So according to the first rule, write the name of a set by using capital letters. It may be anyone from A to Z. Okay. B. Then write all the elements within a curly brackets. So write even numbers between 5 to 15. So after 5, the first even number is 6, then 8, then 10, 12 and 14. And every element is comma separated. After writing element, make curly bracket close. This is what how to write a set by using a listing method. It is also called a roster method because sometimes they ask a question like write a given set by using a roster method or listing method. एका वेळी एकच नाव, एक तर लिस्टिंग मेथड किंवा रोस्टर मेथड. दिस इज व्हॉट हाऊ टू राइट अ सेट बाय यूजिंग लिस्टिंग मेथड or roster method. Okay, now we are going to see the second method of writing a set, that is rule method, which is also called as a set builder form. Okay. So second rule is rule method. It is also called as set builder form. Okay. So what is rule method? In rule method, we do not write a list of elements. In first method म्हणजे लिस्टिंग मेथड मध्ये आपण काय लिहिलं होतं, we write only list of elements, but in rule method we do not write a list of elements. Instead of list of elements we assign some variables. Just instead of writing a list of elements we assign a variables for them, and finally we have to write a property for the given set. For example, consider that set of even number from 1 to 10. Okay. First of all, we are writing this set by using listing method. Then we are writing by using the rule method. Okay. To write any set, first of all, write their name by using capital letter. Okay. Then all the elements write it in curly bracket. Okay. Then how many elements in between 1 to 10 are even? So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Here we are considering the first and last element because the word is from, so we are considering 1 to 10. So the last even number from 1 to 10 is 10. Okay, now we are writing the set by using the listing method. Now write this set by using the rule method. Okay, according to the rule method we do not write list of elements. आता आपण list of elements लिहिणार आहे का? नाही. Instead we are assigning a variable. त्याच्याऐवजी आपण एक variable assign करणार आहे ह्या list of element ला. बाकी first rule same, write the name of set by using capital letters. Okay, rule method ने काय नाव आहे? C. So we are writing here also C. Write all the elements within curly brackets. Okay, next part is instead of writing a elements we are assigning a variables. We are assigning a variable. So from A to Z, but variable small letter मध्ये लिहा X followed by a vertical line. It is also called as a colon. Right? Followed by a vertical line. So X is a even number. So how to write a even number? Even number means what? They are multiply or multiple with 2. So X is equals to n, where what are the conditions for n? So where n is greater than 1 but less than what? Less than or equals to 5. Okay, now I write rule here. In rule method we do not write list of elements. Instead we are assigning a variable and write a suitable property. आणि त्या एक्झाम्पल साठी आपण एक सुटेबल प्रॉपर्टी लिहिणार आहोत. दिस इज व्हॉट आवर रूल मेथड. ओके, so here first step is write the name of set by using capital letters, write in curly brackets. Now instead of writing a list of elements, for that we are assigning a variable. त्याच्यासाठी आपण एक variable assign केला x, but what x denote? मग हा x काय denote करतो? X denotes a even number. So how to denote even numbers in mathematical form? So the even number means what? That is the numbers which are divisible by 2 or multiply divisible by 2 is called as a even number. Is called as a even number. Therefore we take equation as x is equals to 2n. We are writing a condition as x is equals to 2 n. That is, if any number is multiplying by 2, then we get a even number. That's why we are written as x is equals to 2n. Now what n denotes? N belongs to, first of all, write this n belongs to a natural number. So natural number denoted by capital N. And now write the conditions for small n, that is n is greater than 1 and less than or equals to 5. Why? याचा meaning काय? n हा greater than 1 आहे or equals to 1, because our even numbers are starts from 1 up to 10. So after multiplying by 1 we get first even number as a 2. After multiplying by 2 we get 4. After multiplying by 3 we get 6. After multiplying by 4 we get 8, and lastly after multiplying by 5 we get 10. Therefore our values for the n, that is suitable property for n is greater than or equals to 1 and less than or equals to 5. So this is the conditions for a n. This is what our rule method or set builder form. In simply, what is the difference between the rule method and the rule method and the listing method? In listing method, as the name suggests, we are writing a list of elements, and in rule method, instead of writing elements, म्हणजे element लिहिण्याच्या ऐवजी त्यांच्यासाठी आपण काय एक व्हेरिएबल असाइन केला. ओके, सो वी आर असाइनिंग अ व्हेरिएबल x. ओके, बट व्हॉट x डिनोट, पण हा x काय डिनोट करतो? x डिनोट्स अ इवन नंबर. तुम्हाला जर असं नसेल यायचं तर वी कॅन राईट ऑल्सो ॲज, instead of writing elements we assign a variables. What x denote? X is a even number less than 12. असं लिहिलं तरी चालेल. We can write it also by using this, or we can write it also in mathematical form. We can write in both the ways. This is what our rule method or set builder form. Let's take another example. Set of numbers which are divisible by by 4. Okay, so the example is set of numbers which are divisible by 4. Okay, we have to write this set by using a rule method. Okay, first of all write the name of set by using capital letter. Okay, in curly bracket. To understand rule method, first of all write the set by using listing method. Okay, so write all the elements in curly brackets. So numbers which are divisible by 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 up to infinite. There are infinite numbers that divisible by 4. Now we can write this set by using a rule method. So write set name as A, because we had already defined as A. Now to write a set by using the rule method, instead of elements we assign a one variable. Okay, so assign as x. Now what x denotes? So x denotes numbers which are divisible by 4. So x is a number divisible by 4. Just finish. This is what listing method. This is what our rule method. Okay, in simple language, what is the difference between the listing method and the rule method? In listing method we are writing a list of elements, and in rule method instead of writing elements, we are using a variables and writing a property for a given.
Let's take another example of a rule method, that is set of prime numbers between 1 to 10. Okay. So first of all, to understand the rule method, write the given set by using the listing method. So we know that to write a set by using listing method, write the name of set by using capital letter. So we use D. Then write all the elements within a curly brackets. So we have to write a prime numbers between 1 to 10. म्हणजे आपल्याला 1 to 10 पर्यंतचे prime numbers आहेत. First of all, tell me what is prime numbers. So prime number means what? The numbers which are divisible by only itself. Okay. The number which are divisible by only one or itself are called as prime numbers. So we have to write the prime numbers between 1 to 10. So the first prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, 7. So these are the prime numbers between 1 to 10. So prime number means what? The numbers which are divisible by 1 or itself is called as a prime number. So our first prime number is 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers between 1 to 10. So this is what our listing method. Now we have to write this set by using the rule method. So as we have already defined the name of set as a D. So by using the rule method, we again write its name as a D. Okay. Now instead of writing a variables, आता आपण rule method लिहिणार आहोत. So rule method means what? We do not write list of element. Instead we are writing a variable. Okay. So we'll write a variable for the elements as a x. So what x denotes? So x is a prime number between 1 to 10. This is what our role method. And again, how to read a set? Read कसा करायचं ते पाहू. How to read a set? Okay. Set. What is the name of set? Set D is a set of all x. Okay. Set D हा कोणासाठी आहे? Set D equal to meaning असतो is a set of all x. ही जी का vertical line त्याला आपण colon म्हणतो, त्याला read करताना आपण such that असं read करणार. So set D is a set of all x such that x is a prime number. X is a prime number between 1 to 10. This is how we are reading a set in rule method. Set D equal to the meaning is curly bracket ला म्हणायचं set of all x. कारण x हा कोणासाठी डिनोट करतोय? For the elements 2, 3, 5, 7. So to include all the elements, we read as all x. Vertical lines are read as such that x is a prime number between 1 to 10. Let's take another one example of a rule method. Set of rational numbers. Set of all rational numbers. So first of all, tell me what is rational numbers. So rational numbers are denoted by capital letter Q. Rational number आपण denote कसे करतो? Capital letter Q. So we write the name of set as a Q. Okay, next. Rational numbers are in the form of P upon Q. Rational numbers कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये असतात? They are in the form of P by Q. So we write P upon Q. Vertical line such that what P and Q denotes, आपण rational number साठी कशाने represent केले? P by Q ने. We are assigning a variable that is P by Q. Well, what P and Q denotes? So P and Q are integers, where most importantly for the rational number Q is not equals to 0. This is what where writing a set of rational numbers by using rule method. Now, how to read this set? What is the name of set Q? So set Q equal to significant transform is curly brackets are set of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, where Q is not equals to 0. This is what where reading a set. In textbook, they are given some activity based table. So let's solve it by using listing method as well as rule method. Then we clearly understand how to write a set by using listing method and how to write a set by using a rule.
After studying this table, we clearly understand how to write a set by using listing method or roster form, as well as how to write a set by using rule method or set builder form. So they are asking a question like, write the following set by using a listing method. For that they are giving a statement. त्यांनी एक आपल्याला स्टेटमेंट दिलं असतं आणि त्या स्टेटमेंट वरून आपल्याला लिस्टिंग मेथड लिहायची असते. Or sometimes they ask a question in rule method or write a given set by using a listing method. And another way, कधी कधी ते लिस्टिंग मेथड मध्ये एक्झाम्पल देतात and write the given set by using a rule method असं आपल्याला क्वेश्चन विचारतात. ओके, आता फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पहा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल they are giving an first example as set A is a set of all even numbers less than 15. So हा सेट कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये? Here we are writing a list of elements. That means हे listing method's example आहे. Now we have to write this set by using a rule method. So how to write this set by using a rule method? त्यासाठी आपल्याला त्यांनी डेमो दिलेला आहे. Instead of writing elements, we are using a variables for rule method. So set name इथे आपण ऑलरेडी डिफाइन केलेले आहे. That's why रूल मेथड लिहिताना सुद्धा आपण तेच सेट नेम लिहिणार आहोत. सेट नेम दुसरं लिहिता येत नाही, कारण की लिस्टिंग मेथड मध्ये ऑलरेडी डिफाइन अ नेम ऑफ सेट ॲज ए. सो टू रायटिंग अ सेट बाय युजिंग रूल मेथड वी अगेन यूज नेम ऑफ set as a A. Okay, so instead of writing a set or instead of writing a elements we are using a variable. So x, so what x denotes? So x is a even numbers, but up to which? Less than 50. So x colon x is on. Now write the property about variable. So x is an even number less than 50. This is what we are writing a listing method or a rule method. Now let's see another example. Now in second example they are given a set by using rule method. त्यांनी आता आपल्याला सेट हा रूल मेथड मध्ये दिलेला आहे. आता तो आपल्याला लिस्टिंग मेथड मध्ये लिहायचा आहे. ओके, सो लिस्टिंग मेथड मध्ये लिहिताना सेट नेम काय लिहिणार आहे आपण? बी, कारण की रूल मेथड मध्ये त्यांनी ऑलरेडी डिफाइन केलेले आहे. सेट नेम काय आहे? बी. सो वी आर रायटिंग अ नेम ऑफ सेट ॲज अ बी. ओके, so B is a set of all x such that x is a perfect square number between 1 to 10. So which are the numbers? They are a perfect squares between 1 to 10. असे कोणते नंबर आहेत ते परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर आहेत between 1 to 10. So we know that perfect squares are 4, 9, 16, 25. Just we have to write between 1 to 10. So 4 and 9 are the perfect square numbers between 1 to 10. Now we have to write this set by using a listing method. For that, first write name of set. So name of set is a B. So here we are again write B. Write down all the elements within a curly brackets. Okay, then perfect square number between 1 to 10 are 4 and 9. So 4 comma 9, and each element are separated by comma. After writing elements, close a curly bracket. This is how we are writing a set by using listing method when it is given in the rule method. Okay, rule method मध्ये आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल दिलं होतं ते आपल्याला लिस्टिंग मेथड मध्ये लिहायचं होतं. आता नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल दिले आहे ते आपल्याला लिस्टिंग मेथड मध्ये दिले आहे. दे आर गिवन एक्झाम्पल इन लिस्टिंग मेथड. नाउ वी हॅव टू राइट इट बाय युजिंग अ rule method. So let's see. Set C is a set of all elements which contains 5 elements A, E, I, O, U. Okay, आता हे 5 elements रीड केल्यानंतर आपल्याला लगेच लक्षात येईल. So what A, E, I, O, U denotes? These are the English alphabets of vowels. Okay, so to write the given set by using rule method, write the name of set as a C because it is already defined. Okay, instead of writing a variables, instead of writing a elements, use variables. त्यांच्यासाठी एक व्हेरिएबल यूज करा, x यूज एनी अदर. जर तुम्हाला दुसरा व्हेरिएबल यूज करायचा असेल तरी चालेल. ओके, वाय. सो व्हॉट वाय डिनोट्स? सो वाय काय कशासाठी वापरलाय? सो वाय इज ए इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स ऑफ vowels. English alphabets of vowels. This is how we are writing a set by using rule method. Okay. Now consider the next example. It is given in rule method. We have to write it by using a listing method. So set D is a set of all y such that y is the colors in a rainbow. So which are the colors in a rainbow? So there are 7 colors. आपल्याला त्याचा शॉर्टकट पण माहिती आहे. हाऊ टू MUBJAR is a shortcut to remember colors in a rainbow. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red are the colors in a rainbow. So now write this set by using a listing method. So set name D. Now here we are writing a list of elements. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and finally red. These are the 7 colors in a rainbow. So we are writing this set by using a listing method. Now let's say another example. It is also given in the rule method. आता नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल सुद्धा दिले ते सुद्धा आपल्याला रूल मेथड मध्ये दिले ते आपल्याला लिस्टिंग फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचे. सो सेट नेम P, write all the elements within curly bracket. But set P is a set of all x such that x is an integer. X हा काय आहे? इंटिजर. बट आता इंटिजर्स कोणते लिहायचे? त्या x साठी आपल्याला कंडिशन दिले x is greater than -3. So which are the numbers greater than -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to x is less than 3. Okay, we have to write the elements which is greater than -3 but less than 3. ह्याचा मीनिंग काय असतं पहा. हाऊ टू रीड एज x हा आहे की तो ग्रेटर दॅन -3 हवा बट लेस दॅन 3 हवा. सो विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर दॅन -3? -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. बिकॉज आपल्याला असे नंबर लिहायचे जे ग्रेटर दॅन -3 हवेत आणि लेस दॅन 3 हवे. सो विच नंबर इज लेस दॅन 3? So 2 is less than 3 and which number is greater than -3? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 are the integers. Okay, this is the set by using listing method. And let's consider last example which is given in the listing method. आता लास्ट एक्झाम्पल जे दिले ते आपल्याला लिस्टिंग फॉर्म मध्ये दिले आणि ते आता आपल्याला रूल मेथड मध्ये लिहायचे. ओके, सेट नेम ऑलरेडी डिफाइन आहे. सेट नेम काय आहे? M. ओके, नाउ instead of writing elements use variables. So we use x. Now what x denote? हा x काय डिनोट करतो पहा. आफ्टर सीइंग नंबर्स, नंबर पाहिल्यानंतर तुमच्या अशा लक्षात येईल 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 आर परफेक्ट क्यूब्स. हे सगळे काय परफेक्ट क्यूब्स आहेत. मग तेच आपल्याला लिहायचंय. सो व्हॉट x डिनोट? सो x इज ए परफेक्ट, x इज अ सेट ऑफ all perfect cube numbers. अप टू सांगायची गरज नाही का ना, नाही, कारण की आफ्टर लास्ट एलिमेंट दे आर गिव्हिंग अ डॉट डॉट, दॅट मीन्स अप टू इन्फानाइट, सगळे इन्फानाइट नंबर आपल्याला येतात. सो एक्स इज अ सेट ऑफ ऑल परफेक्ट क्यूब numbers. This is what we are writing a listing method example by using rule method, and rule method examples by using listing method. Okay. And last one more thing is, now we are completing how to write a set by using listing method, or it is also called as a roster form, also rule method, or it is also known as set builder form. In next lecture, we are going to discuss first practice set, our chapter, that is 1.1. So till tomorrow, more important thing is stay home, stay safe, and keep practicing.